Okay, so you're going to create a folder in your OneDrive and name it Case Manager and share it with me at my email address. Then you're going to make the following little subfolders in there. You don't have to share every single one of them with me because once I have access to the folder, I will have access to those as well. So you're going to go to the staff page. You can do one of two things. You can go down here to Office 365 and open it from there. Or what I normally do is I go to Clever. And when I go to Clever, I go to 365 from here. Now, the other thing I do is I go to right here, App Launcher, and I go right to OneDrive, Create, Folder, and you're going to call it Case Manager. All right, Create. Then you're not going to see it. Then you're going to go to My Files. Then you're going to go to Case Manager. Open up the folder. And then it says Create, Upload. And then you're going to create the other documents. So one will be in Excel. And once you open it up, it'll be called 408. That's it. Go back to Drive, upload, another Excel, change the title, 504, go back, create, check in, check out, that will be another one, Excel, press enter. Press enter every single time you save the title. Parent letter, create, another Excel. So, parent letter, press enter. Okay. Create, this will now be a Word document. Click into the title. This will be your SDI. Press enter. Go back. Create. Excel. And this will now be called Caseload. Alright. Come back over here to your main folder. You're going to click let's see what didn't save here. Well, let's make sure everything is all saved. I'm going to refresh this. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So now you're going to go into Share and type my name in. And there I am. I should come up with Harold the Purple Crayon here. So you just do that. And right here, you can make me an editor just in case I have to go in here and edit anything for you. And then you're going to press send. And obviously I can't share this with myself, so it'll be different when you see it.